Now, after 2 days of chaos and confusion at the airports, operations have somewhat improved today. Multiple airports across the cities were not crowded today, and many international flights were reported to be on time. Unlike earlier, where very few domestic flights have been cancelled, even the long queues at the airports have reduced. While over 90% of Indigo operations are back on track, Indigo aims to fly over 1,500 flights by the end of the day, with over 95% of network connectivity being re-established.
आज मैं इसको देख रहा हूं, मैंने आज भी मॉनिटरिंग की है। तो अब धीरे धीरे इस परिस्थितियां सुधर रही है और जल्दी ही और एक कंट्रोल भी किया है। आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ ऐसे एयरलाइंस थे जिन्होंने मनमाने तरीके से वो किराया बढ़ा दिया था। उसको भी उन्होंने कहा इतने किलोमीटर पे इतनी राशि, इतने किलोमीटर पे इतनी राशि। इसका मतलब सरकार ने इस विषय को संवेदनशीलता के साथ यात्री परेशान नहीं हो और जो तकनीकी खराबी आई है वो जल्दी ठीक हो, इस दिशा में कदम उठाएं।
Well, on this, you have my colleague Anushka joining us on the broadcast. Now, Anushka, walk us through the details. How exactly is the situation looking like on the airports today?
That's right, Reet. We have seen that from the past 5 days, we saw several disruptions in the Indigo airline services. Now we are seeing that slowly the whole system is returning back to normalcy. Today, we did not see such long queues that was seen yesterday and the day before yesterday, because we have seen that more than 1,000 flights have been cancelled by Indigo because of the disruptions, and also because the lack of the manpower to fly all the flights. That was in fact made mandatory by the government. The government has given relief and has also cracked down on the Indigo airlines, so that the situation can in fact return back to normalcy. Now we are seeing that such long queues are not cannot be seen outside the airports. Indigo has said that over 1,500 flights will be departing from for the destinations today, so that the passengers with their scheduled flight times can reach to their destination on time. But we are also seeing that the Delhi airport has in fact also tweeted that it will take some time back to return back to normalcy. But yes, the track is going on the right direction, and we are seeing all the flights that are right now being departed on for the for the respective destinations, so that this normalcy can once again return
back. You rightly
back.
mentioned that the situation is in the process of being restored. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us.